Hello students, lesson number first, that is rational and irrational number. Under this lesson, today we are going to see the comparison of a fraction, and in yesterday's lecture inside, two lectures over on this lesson, and the last lecture inside we seen that the practice set number 1.1 inside how to plot the rational numbers on a number line, okay, that we had seen. And with this we also saw that the how to which number is indicated by point B, means any point if it is there, F indicates 1, then D indicates which fraction, that also we had seen, okay. And how to decide the whether the given coordinate is the point, that particular point, means this coordinate is 5 by 2, that also I shown you how to do this. In today's lecture inside, we are going to compare the rational numbers, okay. Comparison means what? When you are in the smaller classes or you are in the first second time, we are comparing the fractions till from I think you are in playgroup LKG UKG inside, if you were there, at from that age you are comparing the fraction. For example, 5 and 3. So tell me which is the greater number here. You know that 5 is greater. 5 is greater. But if I will give the negative sign to both the fractions, then which number is the greater one and which is the smaller one, that we have to decide. So for that, what we have to do, if the minus 5 and minus 3 is there, which number is greater one? You know that also you have studied in the previous classes. The negative number, smaller the negative number, greater is the value, and bigger the number, its value is smaller one. With this, again one more example you saw, that is the, if one number is negative and another number is positive, then which number is greater? Yes, that is the positive number is always greater than negative one. If there are two numbers, minus 5 and minus 2, here which number is greater? Whose value is less, means 2 is smaller than 5, but if it is negative, the minus 2 is greater than minus 5, okay. And you know that 0 is greater than all negative numbers. 0 is greater than all negative numbers. Means this information, means previous knowledge we have about the fraction or comparison inside fraction. So let's see what is given the in the question in the information, and then we will start, or I will teach you how to compare the fractions. So first of all, we know that for any pair of numbers, on a number line, the number of the left is smaller than the other, means left side number is smaller, okay. For this, let us move towards the number line which is given in our textbook question inside. So in this question inside, this question number 2 inside, otherwise one more is given here, no, let's see this, let's refer this number line. So 0 is here. As you move towards the right side, the numbers are becoming greater, and as you move towards the left side, the numbers are smaller one, okay. So here, for that, just compare the 2 and 4. You know that what is the, which number is smaller one? 2 is smaller than 4. 2 is smaller than 4, okay. What is the statement given in our textbook? That is, numbers towards the right side are greater than the left one. So 2 is here and 4 is here, and 2 is 4's left side, okay. Again one more example we will see. The example is minus 2 and minus 2 and plus 2 we will take. Now tell me which is the greater and which is smaller. Here also you can easily recognize the positive numbers, means plus 2 is greater than the minus 2. Same way it is there, minus 2 upon 3 and plus 2 upon 3. Same is there, positive number is always greater than the negative 1. Now if I will give you the two negative numbers, at that time you are getting confused, okay. In in generally, if I will give you the 4 and 6, then you can easily compare this number and you will write that 6 is greater than the 4. But now statement is given in your textbook, or not only in a textbook, the numbers which are towards the left side numbers are smaller. Means if you compare this 4, the place of minus 4 is here, and the place of 6, it may be somewhere at these places. So instead of minus 6, I will take the example another, because here you can understand the number which is present on a number line. So instead of taking minus 6, I will take here minus 2. Okay, this minus 2. Now tell me which is greater. Okay, actually 4 is greater than 2, but when the numbers are negative, if you see here, minus 4 is toward the left of the number, and that's why minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Only one thing we have to keep in your mind, that is, from this, if the number both are positive, okay, the both numbers are positive, then the greater number is greater and smaller is the smaller one. Okay, both numbers are positive, the greater number is greater and smaller is smaller. One number is negative and one number is positive. Okay, then positive number is always greater than the negative one. But when both numbers are negative, at that situation, the smaller number is greater and greater number is smaller. Okay, if you keep these three rules in your mind, you will be perfect in the comparison of a fraction. Okay, then the different rules are there for the comparing that we are going to study in this lesson, but the previous knowledge inside, you must have this knowledge. Means if both number are positive, 3, 4, greater number is greater and smaller is smaller. If one number is negative, another is positive, then positive number is always greater than the negative ones. And both the numbers are negative, then smaller is bigger and bigger is smaller one. And one more thing is that 0 is greater than all negative numbers. Okay, if I will write minus 1645 and 0, then in comparing this, the 1645 u is smaller than the 0. Why? Because it is negative. Okay, if I will write 1645 negative and 1443 negative only, both numbers. Just I told you the rule, smaller is bigger one. So this number is bigger one, the bigger means 1443 is bigger than the 1645 because it is a smaller and both numbers are negative. Okay, now here question is there, compare the number 5u/4 and 2/3 and write using the proper symbol. Now tell me how to solve this question. To solve this question, just we have to make the denominators of a fraction same, and you know that how to make denominator fractions. This lesson was there for you last year. So 5/4 and 2/3. So 5/4 and 2/3. These two fractions are there and we have to compare the fractions. So according to the rule, what I told you, the smaller is both numbers are positive. So we have to make the denominator same at first. So how to make the denominator same? So 4 stable inside and 3 stable inside, which is the first common number. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. And 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. That we are writing for our reference. It's not necessary to write in your answer. Okay, you have to say these tables in your mind. And for that I told you before only, you have to learn the all tables. So here in 4 and 3 table inside, the first common number is 12, and we have to convert this fraction, denominator of fraction, into 12. So how to compare this? So 5/4, 4 stable inside, third place means we have to make the denominator same. So 4 threes are 12 and 3 fours are 12. You know, sorry, 12 is here and 3 fours are 12. So here we have to make the denominator same. So 5 into 3 and 4 into 3. This fraction also we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, that is the 4, because we have to make the denominator same. Now do the multiplication. 5 3s are 12, 3 4s are this fraction upon 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8 upon 3 4s are 12. Now the denominator, sorry, 5 3s are 15, my mistake is here, sorry. 5 3s are 15. So here it is 15 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. Now if you see here, you will notice that the denominators are same, both numbers are positive, and 15 is greater than 8, means the 15 upon 12 is greater than 8 upon 12. Okay, and 15 upon 12 is the value of 5 upon 4. That's why 5 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. Understood? So, if such a type of questions will come, compare the given rational numbers or the fractions. At that time, you have to make the denominator same for this fraction, and then you have to compare the fraction and use the rules previously I told you. Okay, note down this example, then we will move towards the next question. In your textbook also given the steps, you just copy from here. Here also they made this denominator same. So 5 and 3's LCM, or 5 and 3's 4 and 3's LCM, or 4 and 3's table inside first common number we have to find out, and we have to convert the denominator into that number. So 4 and 3's table inside first common number is 12, and to make it 12, 5 upon 4, okay, we have to multiply here with the 3, because 4 3's are 12. So 5 3's are 15, 4 3's are 12, and here 3 we have to multiply with the 4, because we want denominator inside 12. So 2 4's are 8 and 3 4's are 12. And then what we have to do, write the 15 upon 12 is greater than 8 upon 10, and that's why 5 upon 4 means the value of 5 upon 4 is greater than the value of 2 upon 3. That's why 5 upon 4 is greater than the 2 upon 3. That sign is called as a greater than sign. If we are doing this, it is smaller than sign, and this is equal to sign, and you know it in better, you know this all. Now we have to compare it these fractions. It is very easy. Why? Just now I told you the rule, that is negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers. So directly you have to write this. Okay, easy it is. Second question. Now we will see here. Here verification is given, but you just understand rule I told you, that only. Now here we have to compare the numbers, but both numbers are negative. So let us solve the example. Minus 7 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2. Minus 7 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2. Okay, as I told you, 3's and 2's table inside first common number is 6. So to make it 6, okay, 3 we have to multiply with the 2. 3 2's are 6. That's why we have to multiply this fraction for numerator also and denominator also with the 2. And another number is the minus 5 upon 2 fraction is. And to make 6, we have to multiply this fraction with the 3. Why 6 we have to do? Because 3's and 2's table inside first common number is 6, and 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3, and that's why we have to convert the denominator of that given fraction into the LCM. And then here we have to find, we will find the value. 7 2's are 40. These 2's multiplication we had done. Then upon 3 2's are 6. Here we have to write. Now minus negative. 5 3's are 15. 2 3's are 6. As I told you before, only the rule. What? If denominators are same, we have to compare the numerator of a fraction. Which is greater one? That is the greater and smaller we have to decide. So here minus 14 and minus 15 is there. And just I told you before only, if the negative number are there, the negative number is, smaller number is greater 1. And here it is minus 14 and minus 15 is there. And which is greater one? 15. 15 is smaller and 14 is greater, because both numbers are negative. Therefore here write the minus 14 upon 6 is greater than the minus 15 upon 6. If both numbers were positive, at that time 15 upon 6 was greater, but here it is both numbers are negative. That's why 16 upon 6, 14 upon 6 is greater 1, and that's why 7 upon 3, this fraction is greater than 5 minus 5 upon 2. And the reason behind it is that what the number is negative, smaller number is greater 1. Okay, understood all of you? So note down this. Now we will see one more example. Here it is given. Which is that given example? 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. This is also very easy, as second example is there in that way. Which is the example? 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. Right. So here we have to do the comparison. We will compare it in two ways. First, reduce it. If you reduce it, you will notice that 3 upon 5, these both numbers are divided. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are, sorry, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So here 3 upon 5 means both numbers are equal. 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, signs are also same. That's why that is one method. Or 3 upon 5 and here it is 6 upon 10. 5 stable inside 10 is present. So we have to change or convert the denominator into 10. We can convert it. So 5 stable inside 10 is at which place? Second place. So multiply this first fraction with the 2. And this second one right here as it is. It's not necessary to do the changes. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, and here also 6 upon 10. Here you get the 6 upon 10 and 6 upon 10, and that's why both the fractions are equal 1. Okay, that is the comparison of rational numbers. Okay, now the next part is the following useful compare the example. Just now I told you, if you for the comparison, actually these rules we will solve with the examples. Okay, that is better for understanding. So this part of the lesson we will take in our next lecture, and your today's homework is that you have to compare this following number. Okay, according to rules I told you. So 1.2 you are going to solve at your home. Just now I told you how to solve, and your home you have to write these 3-4 examples, solved examples which are given in our textbook. These examples also you have to write and solve practice set number 1.2. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.